Hello, and welcome to our virtual open house. I am Vesely Ilieva, Dean of the School of Education at Utah Valley University. We're thrilled that you're interested in becoming a teacher and in earning your degree and certification with us at Utah Valley University School of Education. When you join the school, you will have options to match your interest in teaching. In our programs, we prepare teachers for elementary, middle, junior high, and high schools, as well as teachers of special education and ones who work with preschool age children. Our programs offer a balance of learning in university settings combined with hands on experiences in classrooms where you will practice and build your teaching skills with the support of school teachers and university faculty. Your success as a UVU student and as a future educator is our priority and in the center of our work. Students in our programs gain knowledge, develop skills, and cultivate dispositions to become engaging and effective teachers, prepared to make a difference in schools and for students in Utah and the nation. We're excited to have you with us at this open house today. Enjoy the exploration of what we have to offer, and I truly hope to see you at UVU and the School of Education soon.
Hello, my name is Shauna Quillman, and I am the Director of Academic Advising and Student Success here at the School of Education. And we couldn't be more thrilled that you might be considering teaching as a career choice, and we would love to help you reach that goal. At UVU, your academic advisor will become your best friend, and we hope that you'll become ours. Our job is to support you all along the way while you're with us, ultimately advocating for you clear through to graduation. We assist you with program information, course planning, timelines to graduation, and a lot of other things as they arise. Navigating the university path can sometimes be a little bit confusing, and our job is to help you make sense of it all. Above everything else, we want to help you be successful. That makes us super happy. We love our students and we feel like they are our family. Each of our programs are both unique and similar. As advisors, we communicate with you several times throughout the semester to ensure that everything is going well for you and help connect you to resources maybe when things aren't going so well, and we help to get you back on track. We initially will have you work with our first year advising center where you will earn your first 30 credits before actually transitioning over to the School of Education. Our first year center advisor will help you get started with all the initial information freshman students need to know in order to develop into successful and wonderful college students. You will transition to the School of Ed your sophomore year where we take over your support from there. We'll work with you on things like reviewing the program course outline, GPA requirements, and other benchmarks that are necessary to qualify for admission to our professional teaching program your junior year. We'll help you through the admission process, and then we'll watch you bloom while in our professional teaching program and ultimately cheer and clap for you at graduation. In our professional programs, you'll be surrounded by a great support system of fellow classmates, our administrators, our faculty, our advisors, who are all working just as diligently as you are to ensure your success and to learn everything that you need to know in order to be an outstanding educator. We pride ourselves in the quality of educators that pass through our program. And in the state of Utah, our district partners and principals and administrators know that we have a great group of teachers that graduate from UVU. You'll have a lot of fun while you're with us working out in our school districts, where you'll have the opportunity to make the connections with what you've learned in our classrooms here to how the practical application works out in the classroom. We love and stand by our programs, and we hope that you will find them as exciting and as satisfying as we do. Please feel free to contact one of our advisors through our School of Education webpage at uvu.edu. We really hope to see you here.
Hi, I am Dr. Elaine Tuft, and I am the chair of the Department of Elementary Education at Utah Valley University. First of all, I want to commend you for considering what I believe to be the most noble career. I'm sure all of you have been influenced by teachers and know of their potential to have a tremendous impact on individuals and the world. The Department of Elementary Education offers a certificate of completion in early care and education, as well as an associate degree in early childhood education. It also offers an associate degree in pre-elementary education and a bachelor's degree in elementary education. These professional programs have been designed to be on the cutting edge of research and practice in order to prepare our graduates to be competitive and to have a major influence in their teaching. Our programs, while based in research, are very practice-oriented. We have an excellent faculty who represent decades of teaching elementary and early childhood age children. They also represent decades of learning and earning advanced degrees in education. The professors teach their classes in a way that is hands-on and provides you with a model of how to teach, as well as opportunities to practice teaching with your peers. After being well prepared and with supervision, you also have opportunities to practice teaching various subjects to young students. In the elementary education bachelor's program, you are assigned to cohorts, which creates a great support system for you as you go through the program. Each semester, while you are taking classes, you spend 3 weeks in an elementary school where you can observe, learn, assist, and practice teaching the things you have been learning. The culminating experience in the program is to complete student teaching in a semester or intern as a full-time teacher for an academic year. We enjoy outstanding relationships with our partner school districts, and they are a very important part of the student preparation. The Department of Elementary Education is committed to teaching and training students how to become exceptional teachers to all students. Students who successfully complete the elementary education program qualify to receive a Utah professional teaching license to teach young students in grades K through 6. We would love to have you join our department.
Hello, thanks for joining us. My name is Dr. Brian Waite, and I'm the Department Chair of Secondary Education, which also is a department that houses the special education programs as well as autism minor, autism studies. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about these 3 programs. The first one is secondary education. This is a program that prepares individuals to teach in junior highs or high schools, typically grades 7 through 12. We have a number of different content areas. So if you're interested in math, for example, or biology, or maybe you want to be a health teacher or a music teacher, we have 17 different areas that we certify individuals in to be able to teach those. What you would do is you would pick a major and you would take classes to learn that content in those departments. So you would take classes in the biology department, but then you would take how to teach classes with us in the School of Education. And we would prepare you to be able to walk into a junior high or a high school and be an effective educator in those content areas. We also have a special education program, and we're very excited about this program. It's very unique and rare. We certify individuals to be able to work with children who are mild to moderate as well as severe with their disabilities. We also offer an autism minor that goes along with that program. And so you get the autism minor as you're working on your special education bachelor's degree. And you're certified to be able to teach kindergarten through 12th grade in any of those areas in special education. We try to focus on 3 things in the secondary education department. We will help you develop the content knowledge that you need to be a good teacher, whether it's math or science or English or history. But we're also going to work with you on developing those skills on how to teach that content knowledge. That's very, very important. And the third thing that we're going to work with you on are developing dispositions. And dispositions are varied, but they have to do with our attitudes, our ability to communicate with others, our ability to work with people who are different from us. And that's another part of our program that's very important, and we will work with you on that. So we're excited to be able to talk with you more. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name's Dr. Benton Brown, and I'm the Assistant Dean here in the School of Education. I'd like to echo the welcome that others have said to our School of Education virtual open house. I have the opportunity to tell you about some of our global and multicultural partnerships here in the School of Education. One thing that we offer to all of our students is the opportunity to engage in some of our global and multicultural partnerships. We have partners all across the globe, from both here in Utah to also places like Peru, Tonga, Spain, and others. We're very excited for you to potentially be a part of the School of Education and take part in these global partnerships. We have short-term experiences, like 2-week experiences, where you get to experience just a little bit of education in a different area of the world, and experience how teachers teach slightly differently in their particular culture, and how students learn. We also have more long-term partnerships where you have the opportunity to spend half of your student teaching in one of our global or multicultural partnerships, including those here in Utah and the Navajo Nation. We're excited for you to potentially be a part of the School of Education and be able to take part in some of these awesome global partnerships.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Morrow. I am the Senator for the School of Education this year. So that means that I represent student voice. I work closely with the Dean for the School of Education and the department chairs. We also have student representatives in each department, and I sit on student council. So we really care about student feedback and making sure that everyone has a great experience when they come to UVU and feel like there's a place for them. We do great fun events that are fun and relaxing. We also try to enrich our lives by doing meaningful events and getting to know each other. We've continued to do this virtually this year. We've got to know each other, our professors, ask questions about our programs that we're in, and just hang out. One of the ways that we stay connected to each other is through our social media. You can follow us on Instagram, which is UVU SOE. And we also have a blog on our school website where we share what we call Wolverine stories. It's why we chose to go to UVU, what our experience has been like here, and sometimes even our plans afterwards. And we can see some alumni and where they have gone after they left school. One thing that really matters to our dean is that we don't only feel like proud Wolverines, but we feel prepared, that we have a meaningful and full college experience while we're here. And once we leave UVU, that we can be successful in the field that we choose. So one of the ways that the School of Ed does this is they have amazing professors. My experience has been incredible. I truly feel like the professors care about us individually and on a personal level. They want to see us succeed and they'll support us through whatever we need. So I have loved my experience at UVU. I love being able to represent student voice, and I really hope that you guys choose to come join us.